All right.
Yes, hello.
Yay.
Kaway-kaway.
Hello, everybody.
Happy Saturday, diba? Kumusta ang ating mga Saturday dyan?
Sa amin lumamig sa Italy na hindi kami sanay sa lamig na katulad ninyo.
Keep it.
Speaking of lamig yan, nag-snow na rin sa amin.
Malamig na rito.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa lahat po nang nakatune in today. At welcome na naman po sa another inspiring and of course, power-filled live episode ng ating mga ka-empower, diba? So, every time we go live, andun yung excitement para kasi tonight it's very extra special aside sa full house po kami, diba? Magic 11. First, we are celebrating 9 amazing years sa aming global digital community. So imagine nyo, 9 years, diba? 9 years ng tumutulong sa mga ordinary mga tao, mga parents, OFWs, employees, or kung sino man dyan, kahit iba-ibang walks of life, ika nga para makapag-create ng extraordinary results, of course. And second, we have new milestone achievers sa ating team. Ito yung mga real people, real stories, and families na they are the proof na pag kinumbay mo ang dedication with the right automated system, of course, life can truly change. And pangatlo, of course, this is huge kasi may mga kasama tayo sa community na nakapag-quit na sa jobs and of course, because of this online income na nakasurpass ng kanilang sahod. O diba, hindi to magic, hindi to fantasy, totoo po ito. Totoong mga tao, totoong results. And syempre, November is an exciting month dahil meron tayong promotion ongoing. Yung sale natin, one sale, one commission, 4,000, di ba? O, saan ka pa makakuha ng $4,000, di ba? And of course, maganda dito, hindi mo na kailangan magbenta ng paulit-ulit, hindi mo kailangan mag-cold call and all that, hindi kailangan mawala yung oras sa family mo kasi we have an automated system at ang automation, it does the heavy lifting. So, ang topic natin for today, sa may ating banner, yan, hard work isn't enough. Sabi nga, build your plan B. O, sino dyan ang ayaw sa plan B, di ba? Excuse me po. Kahit gaano ka kasipan, kahit gaano ka ka-dedicated, if you're depending on just one income, napaka-risky talaga yan, di ba? Lalo na kung ikaw ay isang mom na nagbabalanse ng family and work. Isang OFW na maraming sinusuportahan. Excuse me ulit. And of course, sa mga professional na pag nasa cycle ng work deals work. Okay, sino gusto magbago ng life nila? So, this live is for you. And of course, bago tayo mag-umpisa, we wanted to wish Sis Mary Rose belated happy birthday. Ang ka dyan, Sis Rose?
Inom pa ng tubig, Mami.
Uminom ka ng tubig.
Yes.
Water.
Inom ako na tubig. And of course, si Sis Bernadette. Sis Bernadette, congratulations. Meron siyang na-earn na 3 digit lang naman.
Thank you.
Diba? 3 digit lang naman. At salamat at inom lang tayo ng tubig sa dalo. Ayan ang ating magic water, diba? So, let's all celebrate with Sis Mary Rose and Sis Bernadette. Of course, let's get this conversation going. Excited na kami lahat para mapakinggan ang ating iba-ibang speakers. Right, Sis B?
Yes, thank you, Sis Malu. You know, many of us grew up believing that if we just work hard, life would take care of itself. But you know, today we know the truth. People are working harder than ever and still struggling. Cost of living is job security is down and one income is no longer enough. So tonight, we ask our speakers to share when they realized that hard work alone was going to secure their future. why they choose to build the Plan B, and how going digital opening new possibilities, more time, more freedom, and more hope. So, working hard is not enough. So, guys, let's all welcome and let's start with our first speaker, Sis Rosalie.
Hello, blessed Saturday to everyone. Ako po si Rosalie, originally from Philippines, isang ina at nagtatrabaho dito sa Italia. Oh yes, for more than 20 years na. And tonight, napakaganda ng topic natin sa nakasulat, why this hard work isn't enough. Build your plan B now. Ang topic na ito ay sobrang at relevant sa panahon ngayon kasi alam mo yung kahit gaano ka kasipag or kahit gaano ka ka-dedicated sa trabaho mo, hindi talaga sapat ang income. At here's the reality today. Tumataas ang mga bilihin at name it kahit ano pa yan. Tapos hindi pa sumasabay yung ating sweldo sa pagtaas. Hindi rin garantisadong ang ating mga trabaho na kung hanggang kailan ang ating mga trabahong ito. At higit sa lahat, yung ating mga responsibilidad sa ating pamilya, lalo-lalo na kung meron tayong mga sinusuportahan dito sa abroad or siyempre lalo-lalo na sa Pilipinas. At alam ko at alam kung kayo ay meron ding mga sabihin natin sinusuportahan talaga sa ating bansang Pilipinas o mga kamag-anak or pamilya. So, ano nga pa yung sasabihin ko? Nawala ako. So yun, so kaya nga napaka-powerful talaga na pag-usapan ang bagay na ito na kailangan talaga natin ang Plan B. And I realized na hindi lang ako ang may nararamdamang ganito. Di ba, Ate Vicky, ikaw din ba?
Totoo yan. Alam nyo yung when reality hits you hard. Ewan ko kung naramdaman nyo rin yun na may mga moments na dumadating na hindi nagkakasya yung ating sahod dahil sa pagtaas ng mga bills, lalo na sa mga kuryente, sa upa ng bahay, at sa mga gastusin ng mga bata sa school, no, di ba? Kaya ako, tinamaan talaga ako yung bagay na yon. Napatunayan ko na yung job alone, yung ating sahod, ay hindi magkakasya para sa ating mga gastusin. So, kinakailangan talagang gumawa ng paraan at maghanap ng another source of income. Doon ako nag-decide na magbukas ng digital business at para makatulong na hindi ako laging naghahabol sa mga gastusin. At sa totoo lang, yan ay napakalaking tulong sa akin. Kaya kung kayo ay nakakaramdam din ng ganyan na yung sahod ninyo ay nahihirapan kayo pagkasyahin hanggang sa katapusan, perhaps it's the time for you to explore another thing na something na makakatulong. Sis Mary Ann, I know you also had that moment when you realized that you need a change.
Yes, thank you Sis Vicky. I know, napaka-timely nitong topic natin today, yung hard work isn't enough anymore. Kasi lahat tayo nagsusumikap, pero bakit parang laging kulang pa din? Alam niyo, yun nga, everybody have said, rising cost of living, yung kids, yung mga needs nila tumataas, emergency expenses, di nawawala. So yung isang job, hindi na yun secured kulang na siya. I remember for everybody, lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, no, ang nakasanayan natin is, anak, mag-aral ka, tapos maghanap ka ng stable job. And the rest is set for life. Pero ngayon, iba na laban. Hindi na yun kaya ng ganun-ganun na lang. Because the truth is, you can't rely on one income anymore. You need a plan B. Just for myself, for example, Actually, lahat naman tayo naapektuhan ng pandemic, right? I was working in a company for a long time. I have a stable job that I thought I knew. Pero syempre, may nangyayaring ganyan. Hindi natin alam na may ganun palang pangyayari na okay, wala kang magagawa, hindi ka naman, hindi ka naman sinisante or whatnot, pero nag-close yung company kasi nga, it's a global pandemic. So, iisipin pa ba natin na magkaroon ng ganun bago tayo kumilos, right? So, hindi kailangang perfect ka eh. Hindi rin kailangang marami kang alam. Basta kailangan mo lang magsimula. So, kung kayo, nakikinig kayo ngayon, ito na siguro yung sign nyo na wag na kayong maghintay ng pandemic. Wag naman sana na before you take action. Kumbaga parang mag-decide na kayo, right? And there's Sis Mary Rose coming in next, who recently had a birthday. Mary Rose, can you tell something about your turning point?
Hello, and mukhang smiley face na naman po ang aking screen. So, thank you everybody. Salamat po for your continuous support dito po sa aming Empowered Women. And yes, I just celebrated my birthday. And lagi namang fresh perspective kahit hindi birthday, 'di ba? Pero ang nare-realize ko sa naging takbo ng buhay ko is similar din kay Sis Mary Ann or halos sa ating lahat, lalo na po sa ating mga Pilipino. Sasabihin sa atin is we need to get good grades, study hard, makapag-aral sa mga good universities, tapos you will land your dream career and you will live happily ever after. Pero hindi na pa-factor in doon yung mga iba pang bagay. Kasi after ng mga university days natin, doon na rin yung start na magbibuild tayo ng family. So our dreams are now beyond our own. Meron na dyan yung, syempre i-consider mo na yung mga kids, yung future na din nila, and also yung inyong golden years na mag-asawa. Yun din yung naging turning point sa akin kasi when we moved to Canada, akala namin is it's gonna be a greener pasture. Green nga, dollar nga, pero dollar din yung gastos. And ang dami naming pangarap para sa family namin na hindi kaya nung single source of income kahit dalawa kaming nagtatrabaho. So included na doon yung gusto mong suportahan yung mga anak mo sa mga magiging pangarap nila, kung gusto niyan mag-doktor or maging architect or engineer, kailangan, 'di ba, as parents, isa 'yun sa mga pride natin and joy na maibigay din natin yung tulong na kailangan nila instead of them relying on student loans. Mga ganon. So it's really beyond yung atin. And now na nag-shift ako sa healthcare coming from the banking industry, mas nakikita ko yung reality ng buhay, how precious time is. And maraming stories akong nakikita firsthand at naririnig about regrets. Yung mga tao na ang dami-dami kong pera sa bangko, ang dami kong properties, but I cannot use any of them dahil yung health ko wala na or wala na yung partner ko, wala na yung wife or husband ko. So hindi na nila ma-enjoy yon kasi they waited a long time bago nila actually ma-enjoy ang life. Sabi ko nga, life is today. Kaya yun yung naging pinakamalaking realization na nangyari din around the time of pandemic. Sabi ko, kahit pala gaano ka-stable yung trabaho, kahit gaano kataas na yung naging promotion at yung job title mo, in a blink of an eye, pwedeng kunin sa'yo yon. And then what? Ano yung matitira sa'yo? Marami pong hindi lang siya better future. Di ba lahat po tayo tatanda, sasakit ang katawan, lilitaw na yung mga iba-ibang sakit. So doon mo lang ba i-enjoyin yung buhay mo? Kailangan yung ngayon, pine-prepare mo na. Ang hindi palang open ang karamihan sa mga tao is they see having a side hustle as a hustle. Parang, ay nako, kakainin lang nito yung oras ko, wala akong panahon dyan. What they don't see is yung short-term sacrifice mo ngayon, give it what, 5, 6 years, may makikita ka na. Kasi pagbubuhusan mo yan ng ano mo ng effort. Whereas yung 9 to 5 natin, mag-exert ka man din ng same effort 20 years until you retire, parang siguro hindi pa rin close enough yung makukuha mong growth by having a side hustle. Sakripisyo, kaunti lang. Kasi yung ating retirement, sabihin na natin meron pa tayong 20 to 30 years. Imagine that, 30 years. It's time taken away for us at para sa mga anak natin and sa family na pwede naman palang makuha na natin at an earlier stage in life. Kaya habang tumatanda tayo, mas nagiging mature ang pag-iisip at nagiging mas tayo, agree man kayo o hindi, nagiging mas matapang tayo. 'Di ba? Sis Joy, ganyan din yung mga siguro similarities ng turning point mo.
Wow, thank you so much, sis. Yes, very well said, no? Said, yes, so same din sa akin. So, ang bilis magbago ng technology ngayon. Halos every year may mga bago na nangyayari sa technology. So, kaya digital skills talaga namang is the matter nowadays. Kung hindi tayo matututo, madali tayong maiwan sa likod ng digital, no? So everything is digital now. So we keep learning, we risk getting left behind, di ba? So, but the good news is anyone can grow, anyone can learn, and it's never too late to start. So when we choose adapt, step out to your comfort zone. So like me, and try new things, and this open door for new opportunities, no, for ourselves and our families. So for me, this plan B is my goal to succeed, just not for myself, also for my loved ones, my kids, my family. So that's why this opportunity is for everyone who are interested to know more about this digital business. So that's right, sister. Back to you, sis. Thank you.
Ayan.
Yes, Mary.
That's correct. Thank you, Joy. It's correct, no? Yung ang business natin is we leverage automation because we believe that our passion sometimes doesn't just pay the bills. Hindi siya sapat. Dati-rate sa panahon ng ating mga magulang or even mga lolo't lola, kahit na isa tatay lang ang nagtatrabaho, sapat na. Nowadays, mother and father would work, and sometimes not just one job, but two, but three. Yan po ang nangyari sa akin. 3 jobs po ako nung nag-umpisa ako mag-digital business. So what pushed me? It's because I believe that there's more to just working. Kasi ang jobs natin, minsan, I believe hindi secured, hindi panghabang buhay. Unfair naman na after natin mag-retire, saka pa lang tayo mag-enjoy. So, kailangan din natin ng balance, di po ba? We have to balance na kailangan hindi lang paying bills. We also have to have fun in between. You have to spend time with the family. Lalo na't may mga bata. Meron po akong 2 anak. On top of my 3 jobs, I got 2 young kids. And hindi lang sila school. They're very active din po sila. Nasa athletics din po sila. So, kailangan on top of it ako sa kanila kasi nag-enjoy sila eh. Yun yung life skills na kailangan natin i-share sa kanila na hindi lang puro trabaho but yung time spent sa kanila and the experience that you could share with them, taking them for vacations or even just for a hike na libre lang, yung oras mo na importante sa kanila. Lalo-lalo na pag minsan na may sakit sila at ikaw ang mommy ang tawag, I want my mommy, yung bang, it really breaks your heart just to, lalabas ka ng bahay, may sakit yung anak mo just to take care of somebody else. Hindi yun ang tamang panahon na para dun po ako napaisip na kailangan something has to change. At dun ko po nahanap itong business na ito and it really helped out. I was able to lessen hours at work. Maganda po yan kasi it has ang digital business, you don't have to be always online. Once na-establish nyo na po yung business ninyo, it will run 24/7 kahit nag-aalaga kayo ng anak nyo while you're on vacation. And it really works very well. I know, Sis Josie, you also reached that point that you have to say, tama na ito, tama ba yan, sis? Share your experience.
Yes, yes. Yes, I have. I can relate to what Sis Mary J has said. I too had 3 jobs. I had 2 extra jobs. Anyway, hi everyone. My name is Josie and I am from the UK. For years, I have pushed myself to work harder. Longer hours, 2 extra jobs, sacrificing sleep, health, time, and family. But eventually, I reached that point where I had to be honest with myself because it wasn't sustainable anymore. I was stretched. I was stretched. I was tired. And I realized that I was trading 2 things that I can never get back: my health and my time. That's when it clicked for me because hard work alone is no longer enough in today's world. We need something flexible, something that works with us, not something that drained us. That's why I built my plan B. A digital business that runs in the background while I'm still doing, I have one full-time job. So while I'm still doing my full-time job, this digital business runs in the background. It supports my goals and gives me options not to replace my hard work, but finally make my hard work mean something for my future. Yeah. So if you're listening today, feeling exhausted, stuck, or scared of the future, maybe it's time for you to build your plan B too. Not tomorrow, not when life gets easier, but now while you still can. At the moment, there is this November offer and it's nearly finishing at the end of the month. So this is your chance. You can start your business and you can get over 4,000 US dollars in commission. So you can get back some of your investment. That's oh gosh, that's how I say it. That's how I see it. Anyway, yes, you start now because your life, your time, and your health are too valuable to spend them in a cycle that's slowly wearing you down. So there we go. Take your step now and claim the commission. Right. Finally, Sherry, what made you say yes?
Unmute.
I made it. I'm already in. I'm a business owner. I'm Sherry. I'm a nurse as well and still working. And my business is running in the background, globally, like we're doing this. So I made it right when I made my decision 5 years ago. And I'm so grateful that I'm with this community. So remember this. one decision changed everything. I always share this because it's true. So you heard it right. To eight, how many of us? 11 speakers, the real story, the real feelings of having a digital business. So I always share this because I'm also busy. I had zero background experience. And honestly, I didn't think I had time for anything else. And my life is balance, you know, and having this, I'm working and having this digital business. So one decision, it shifted my whole life. It made me different person, you know, even I'm working. So choosing a digital business, you got this with automation. We have mentorship and a supported community like we have here, an empowered women community that motivate you every single day to run your business as well. So made it possible for someone like me to start, grow and succeed. No long hours, no guessing, no doing it all. You just need a decision right now and say yes to plan B because you have heard all the stories of our speakers that it's not an excuse anymore. It's a mandatory to have a plan B. So try a digital business because this digital business work for us because it has an automation and we are here a community to help you. So if you've been thinking about to change, remember this. Sometimes it only takes one decision to open doors you never imagined. Start your digital business with us. Back to you, Sis Malo.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies. At thank you sa mga insights. Thank you for sharing your stories na iba-iba yung pinanggalingan. Di ba? Meron tayong kanya-kanyang hugot, ika nga. Pero ito lang yung masabi ko. Isa lang yung lumalabas na truth. At sa panahon ngayon, hard work alone is not enough. Sabi nga, we work harder but we have to work smarter. So yan, para sa ating mga OFWs, lahat ng single moms or lahat ng mga employees na nakasave na hindi po yan ang realidad. Kasi ang pula, meron tayong leverage, automation, and of course, a system that works even when you are not working, sabi nga. So yun, sabi nga, because the world has changed, hindi na sapat yung ikaw lang gumagalaw, hindi lang sapat yung isang income, at kahit natutulog ka, kasama mo yung family mo and all that, meron kami, at yun ang meron kami dito, yun ang aming community. So, a system that supports your dreams without sacrificing your life. Right, Sis B?
Sis.
All right, definitely, Sis Malu. This is why the digital economy is booming. Businesses today want automation, remote work, online platforms. That's where growth is happening. And those who move early win early, and we are a living proof. So, guys, we are now into a digital space. Grab that opportunity. We do have that promo this November. It's an extension. So, grab and start strong with this digital journey, guys. Don't want to be left alone. The world is evolving. And this platform is the best thing that we could do for us to start up our plan B. So, Sis Malou.
Oh, sorry. Have you ever taken your time? Sandali, meron kong naririnig. Sandali. Okay, so everyone, before we wrap up, ayan, please share your website, promote your website and page. Sa akin po, ito yung aking Malu, digitalmsconsulting.com, digital mompreneur space ang aking page. And sino lang dyan, madrag ko dyan, ha?
Bye, Mary.
Yes, meron po siyang co-host. Yes, so if we are able to do this, especially na before we were introverts, we didn't know that we're able to do this, then you can do this as well. But to start with, you have to do your research if this is the right fit for you, and for you to be able to do that, join our free webinar. Message anybody of us in here. For my website, it's there, www.maryantibayan.com.
Hello, this is Vicky once again. My link website is www.vickyventures.net, and I'm based here in Italy. If we can do it, you can too. So it's time for you to try also this business.
Yes, maybe this is what you have praying for many years. So why don't you give yourself a try? So connect kung sino mapusuan ninyo. But then my website is www.rosalico.com. Be inspired and God bless. Bye.
Hi there. Hi, sorry. I look so tired. I've been working all day and I feel so tired. Anyway, yes, click the link and register. Join the webinar and find out if this business is for you. If you do, you can choose any of us here. You can see our websites rather. My website, see, I'm really tired. My website is www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. Yes, the November offer is nearly at an end. So yes, this is your opportunity. Go for it. Take the leap and join the business. Thank you.
Don't worry, Ate Josie, you still look pretty and you don't look really hard, okay?
Yes, I'm Marie J here, originally from Philippines, in Baguio City, currently in New Jersey, USA. I am a mom, a wife, and a physical therapist and a digital mentor. If you're wondering what's going on in your page right now, link to us, send us a message. My website is www.mariejstewart.com. Work smarter, not harder. Digital space is knocking on your door. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
At Sis Rose, baka medyo delayed ang ating internet. Well,
Mute.
Sis Rose is fixing ayan. Okay na? Yan.
Yan. There. Sorry. Alam nyo na, may glitch. Yeah. Natawa lang ako sa sinabi ni Sis Rosalie. Connect with anyone na napusuan nyo. So, parang Miss Universe lang.
Diba?
Kaya ganda ang smile nyo.
Kung hindi
parang
nyo napusuan. Yes.
So, yeah.
Why not?
Thank you. Thank you for joining us again. Mary Rose here from the Philippines, but here in Canada now. There is a way to make hard work a success and not a heartbreak or a broken back. And
Gusto ko yun.
nandito po yan sa digital business. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng extra or potentially na i-outsource yung current source of income ninyo, why don't you register to our free webinar and get the information, not just the hearsay. Get the information firsthand and make your decision from there. Pero nandito po kami to guide you. We will be your direct mentors kung sino man po ang mas nakarelate kayo, and we will get you where you need to be. Salamat po. Ayan po, www.maryroseangeles.com. Thank you.
Hello again. So remember this, one decision to change everything. Go digital. We are here to support you. We are here to mentor you. As Sis Rosalie again said, kung sino yung mapupusuan nyo, go for it. But my website is www.sherrylamis.com. Watch our webinar every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ano na ba lahat? Baka may na-miss ako. Okay na? We're good?
Joy.
Oh,
Joy
si Joy.
nawala.
Thank you. Thank you, Joy. Sorry. Asan ka dyan? Are you still
Nawala.
Nawala
Hello,
siya,
hello,
bale.
Joy. Okay. Pero ang website niya, alam ko, is pinayventure.com. Diba? Tama ba? Yeah. Okay, so thank you sa mga naka-attend po tonight and today or kung anong oras po nakakalit ng live namin. And of course, sa mga nanonood po ng replay, kung gusto niyo ng plan B, kung gusto niyo ng maraming time, gusto niyo ng future na mas stable, you just have to take the first step. Kasi kung hindi, walang second step, walang susunod na step. Diba? Just take the
Walang
first step.
third, walang fourth.
Exactly. Tulad ng ginawa namin. So, sabi nga, meron kami free live webinar, meron ongoing na promotion ngayon na hindi ka makakapulot ng 4K na commission, di ba? It's real, it's documented, and of course, it's achievable. So, yun lamang. So, Bernadette, meron ka pa bang i-add or are we good? We're good? Yes? Just saying. Okay, all right, we did it. Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching.
We
See you
did it.
again
We
tomorrow.
did it. Go, go, go.
Happy Saturday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bless.